A lot of us have faced a lot of challenge when it comes to Facebook login, and this could be due to Facebook account being hacked, Facebook identity problem, Facebook forgotten password, and anything that can make us not successfully log into our account. And this has made us make different kind of search on YouTube and different kind of platforms to find how we can solve these issues. So in this video, I'm taking you through different measures that you can take to successfully fix the problems. Before moving on, I want you guys not to use a VPN in the procedure, and it would be very good if you are using the same device that you last used during the login for your Facebook account. So let's go on. Now, in most cases, when it comes to login problems, if we try to type facebook.com and you provide your email and the password and it fails, and maybe to type the forget password, you may be taken to either search by your phone number. So when you search by your phone number and then you find your account, and maybe you click probably that very account, you may find something like this, like maybe they could send you SMS via the phone that you have tried to use during the login process. And when you fill all these details and you send, they will try to send you the code. So in most cases, this is one of the challenges that we face. When you try, you don't receive anything like this. You don't receive anything like this. So here I'm not using VPN, and of course if I use the VPN, it could be the same issue, and this is the issues to us. So now if you find this kind of challenge, and when you try to click, no longer have access to this, like this device. So when you click that, you may find this kind of thing. We don't recognize your device, and we tend to be off track in this situation. Now, in case you have linked your WhatsApp to your Facebook, then use the WhatsApp and continue. So from here, you will get SMS being sent to you via WhatsApp, and then you can click on it and copy, and then use that. In case the SMS fails, then you can paste and then proceed. Now we shall have then to create a new password, and then we shall continue from there. So use a strong password in the process. So here we shall log in successfully. Now if you have another challenge which is not of such kind, or like you have your Facebook already on Facebook Lite, and maybe you are using a different device and you have forgotten your password, so this is what you have to do. Log into that very device that you are already having either on your Facebook Lite. Facebook Lite stores your information. So you click on settings and go straight to personal information. Then click on edit phone. So when you click that, you can provide you can provide your phone number from there, and then you can confirm in case you have that phone, and then you try the procedure, and you will be able to successfully get an SMS to confirm. And then if you try again the other procedure for the SMS to be sent, the SMS will be successfully sent to you, and that is for that issue. Now the third issue is that you'll go straight to your browser and you'll type report problem with login, and from here we shall just need to fill this information, tell us about what happened. Now here what you are going to do, I'll leave all my details that I'm going to use here, so I'll leave this detail with you. So I'll just go straight and I copy this from my note. So now here what you have to do is that you provide all what is needed to identify that you are the owner of the Facebook account. So, and when you see from here, I have my account was hacked. Yes, sir, madam, I believe my Facebook account was hacked, and also someone is using it without my permission. So you try to explain something like that. Then from here, you need to provide your email, whereby they will contact you and send you what you have to do in order for you to get your account back. Now, after you giving your email, make sure that that's the email that you're using, and from there you need to provide your Facebook profile link as well. Now, to get your Facebook profile link, you can use either of your friends' Facebook, and then you type your Facebook name and you click on that very Facebook that you want, which is yours. So click on it and then click on the 3 dots from there and copy the link, and then you will provide that link right from there. And if you have successfully done, then you need to provide the profile name, which is the name you are using on the Facebook, the date of birth also, and the login details. That's when you last log in. For example, you need to provide the old password that you last used, and that's the last password you have used, the old email, old phone number, the location that you were during that time. Additional details to provide is your device name that you used, and you can go straight to your phone settings, and then to where we have about phone. So you can go straight to what you call about phone, and then you can copy your device name, and can copy the device name right from there, and more details that you may provide as well concerning your device. And you can provide the mod device, your mod of the phone as well. And after you all doing this, then you need to provide your profile details. So you can just click on that right from there. Either you can take a screenshot, or you can use from your identity card, and then you provide. And after all that, then you click to send. So guys, then in 24 hours you'll get your Facebook account back. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. See you soon.